Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to show all bookmarks on Google Chrome using your PC. With the latest update, accessing your bookmarks has never been simpler. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. This is the gateway to all your favorite websites, and having quick access to your bookmarks can enhance your browsing experience significantly. Next, look to the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is the Chrome menu icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu filled with various options. From this menu, hover over the option labeled Bookmarks and Lists. This will open a sub-menu that provides you with additional choices related to your bookmarks. Now, you'll want to click on Show All Bookmarks. This action will direct you to a new window where all your saved bookmarks are neatly organized. Here, you can easily browse through your collection, find specific sites, or even manage them by creating folders or deleting old links you no longer need. If you're someone who frequently visits certain websites, showing all bookmarks allows for quicker navigation without having to remember URLs or search for them each time. Plus, with this new update, managing your bookmarks has become more intuitive. Remember, having easy access to your bookmarks not only saves time, but also enhances productivity, as you can jump straight into your favorite sites without any hassle. So there you have it. By following these simple steps, opening Chrome, clicking the 3 dots, selecting Bookmarks and Lists, and finally choosing Show All Bookmarks, you can effortlessly manage and access all your bookmarks in Google Chrome. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy a more organized browsing experience with your bookmarks now at your fingertips.